Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a really very interesting video. I'm not going to say anything. I'm really very curious to say you all about this new feature. So you all know about VS Code. VS Code is an integrated development environment made by Microsoft where you can do all the types of programming languages which is available on Windows, Linux, Mac OS and all. Now, at first what you need to do was that you have to install VS Code on your computer and then only you can run all the programming languages, right? But now, recently Microsoft has rolled out a web-based version of VS Code. It's a very interesting thing that VS Code is now available on web. You just have to go to your favorite browser, and on that particular browser you just have to type vscode.dev and /, and after that you will land to a complete homepage of VS Code where you can do all the types of programming languages available out there. I'll show you guys. At first, let me open Google Chrome. So here in Google Chrome, I'll type VS Code. Just a second. VS Code.dev /, and after pressing enter here in the first link, okay, that's fine. After pressing enter, you will end up in this particular page, which is exactly the same as the installed version of VS Code. Now if I press F11, I will get a complete full screen of VS Code, which is the VS Code web. So it's a very big thing. It's a really very interesting thing that you don't have to install VS Code again on your computer. So if you're interested, you can directly log into VS Code from your web and you can do all the types of programming languages. Now, to open the folder, you just click on open folder and this will land you to your computer, and here you can select any file that you made on your desktop or your documents or your downloads. So after selecting that file will get opened on VS Code and you can do all the types of programming languages out there. So it's this is really a great news for all the programmers out there. VS Code is now available on web. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you, and if you're interested in programming, please go and check out this Visual Studio Code web version and you will be super excited to use this. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you again.